How to change keyboard size on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down to the Display section and go to Display Zoom. Here, you can choose a view for iPhone. Note that larger text shows larger controls but default shows more content. Select larger text and then tap on Done. Tap on Use Zoom to confirm. Tap on Done again. As you can see, all of the text on this screen has become larger. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. As you can see, the keys will also appear larger now. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard size on iPhone.